In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn a photo into an anime cartoon in Photoshop using a simple 3-step method that gives you bold outlines, high contrast ink shapes, and a clean comic-style look. This is a great technique if you want to transform portraits, product shots, or any subject photo into something that feels hand-drawn and stylized. If you enjoy Photoshop tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open your image in Photoshop and select your main subject layer. This is the layer that contains the photo you want to convert into an anime-style cartoon. Before we start building the effect, we need to force the edges in the image to become more visible so Photoshop can pick up the structure of the subject. To do that, go to Filter, then Sharpened, and choose Unsharp Mask. Inside the Unsharp Mask settings, set the amount to 500%. That may sound extreme, but that is exactly what helps push the details into a more graphic, exaggerated form. Next, move the radius slider somewhere between 3.0 and 6.3 pixels. As you adjust it, watch the fine details in your image closely. Things like fabric folds, metallic edges, strands of hair, clothing seams, and other structural lines should become intensely sharp and very overprocessed. That is the look we want at this stage. Once the outlines and details look strongly defined, click OK. Now we move on to the next part, which is the step that really starts turning the photo into a comic or anime-style graphic. At the bottom of the Layers panel, click the New Adjustment Layer icon and choose Threshold. This adjustment removes smooth lighting transitions and converts the image into strong black and white shapes. It is one of the fastest ways to create that bold inked look. Once the Threshold adjustment layer is added, go to the Properties panel and find the Center slider. Drag it left or right depending on how much detail you want to keep. If you slide it to the left, Photoshop will remove more of the dark shadows and reveal more white space and cleaner lines. If you slide it to the right, it will fill the main shapes with heavier black ink blocks. The key here is to stop at the exact moment when the subject still looks recognizable, but now has that stylized graphic feel. You want the silhouette, face, clothing, or main object to remain clear, while the image gains that strong anime-inspired contrast. Take your time on this part, because the Threshold slider controls the overall style of the final result. A little adjustment can completely change the mood of the image. If you want a cleaner cartoon look, keep more white space. If you want a more dramatic manga-style effect, push in more black. The goal is to find the balance where the image looks bold, simplified, and artistic. After that, we need to clean up the graphic shapes, because Threshold can sometimes create stray black artifacts, rough noise, or areas that lose detail. This is where the layer mask becomes really useful. Click on the white layer mask square attached to your Threshold adjustment layer. Make sure you are editing the mask, not the image itself. Then select the brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Set your brush color to black and paint directly over any messy black spots or noisy background areas that you want to remove. This helps clean up the image and gives it a much more polished anime cartoon finish. If the Threshold effect created unwanted marks around the subject, just brush them away on the mask. Because you are using a mask, you always have control, and nothing is permanently deleted. If you notice that some important details disappeared during the Threshold step, you can bring them back manually. Simply switch your brush color to white and paint onto the mask in the areas where you want to restore detail. That will fill those parts back in with solid black ink, which can help rebuild missing facial features, clothing details, or other important shapes in the subject. This back and forth editing is what lets you fine-tune the cartoon effect until it looks the way you want. And that is the basic workflow for turning a photo into an anime cartoon in Photoshop. First, you sharpen and exaggerate the edges. Then you convert the image into bold Threshold shapes, and finally you refine the mask to clean up the result and bring back the details that matter. With a little practice, you can use this method on portraits, objects, or even full scenes to create a unique stylized look. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and creative editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.